Hello, my friends. Happy New Year. Thank you for joining me once again. It's been a minute since I've uploaded a video. Been a lot of stuff going on, but I'm glad to be back, man. I have a couple things I wanted to share today. Let's start with this one here. It actually just went live, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, the first time that it went live on a Saturday, and I missed it. And I think it's gone back on the website like maybe 2-3 times. This is for the Walmart Kylo Ren throne room exclusive. So let's see how it showed up. I'm gonna open the whole box here with you guys. Careful that I don't splash the packaging. So how you guys been? See, they put some packaging stuff in there, but not too much. But I think it made it. Yep, it's mint. All right, mines are mint. No complaints here. And I'm gonna open one of these. So stick around for that. The Black Series Kylo Ren Throne Room. Sweet box. In the same style as the other exclusives from Target, Luke Skywalker, and the Rey from Toys R Us. And it says here, after a stinging defeat by the scavenger Rey, Kylo Ren refocuses his efforts on destroying the Resistance. Though his powers on the dark side have increased, Kylo still has much to prove to his shadowy mentor, Supreme Leader Snoke. Premium character detail, environmental base, die-cast accessories, fabric costuming. Here's the figure itself. I'm going to go ahead and open this with you guys here. Where's my blade? I always like to get these out sometimes from the bottom better. I've seen people asking if the helmet is removable. I don't think it is. Let's see. Here's the helmet. It is die cast. It's hard and heavy. Mr. Kylo himself right here. There's a big difference in the face paint compared to the regular one from the main line. Lightsaber. And here's the base, and then you connect this base to the throne. Which I should do that now. Let's get the throne here for a second. And this is how it looks. All connected. Nice piece, man. Nice piece. I'm happy with this. I recommend it to anyone. Keep an eye out on the Walmart site. So I also got this AT-AT looking popcorn bucket from Disney World. A friend went there a couple of weeks ago and he brought it back for me. It's pretty cool for what it is. I was expecting it a little bit bigger. I don't know. Not necessarily, but I like the design. It's accurate. The detailing they did on it, it's pretty accurate. That's cool. It opens right here on the top. Put the popcorn in. You can walk around the park representing Star Wars. $25. It was available at first in California with a 1 per person transaction limit. I guess once they made it back to Florida, they restricted those limits. So I wanted to give a shout out to Culture Rob and the Coolios for bringing this back for me, man. I like it. It's a pretty cool addition to my family of AT-ATs. I don't know if you can see them there. There's one more missing that's in my son's room. And another AT-AT Galactic Heroes that we got for Christmas too. Been getting a couple of things here and there. I also got some Stranger Things pops. This one here, which was a pain. I was having a lot of problems with this one here, man. I went to the store and it literally sold out. The guy that was there bought the last two. Right when I got to the store. I know this is a Star Wars channel, but I'm getting into Stranger Things, and this is a cool pop. Dustin and Dart. You see it, grab it. I recommend it. It's a nice pop. Also got the 11, and I've been getting into Masters of the Universe pops as well. Today I found the Moss Man. And I'm looking for the Faker. It's giving me a hard time. And let me think. I also got Yoda here as a Christmas present.
Beware the dark side. Anger, fear, aggression. The dark side of the Force I
It's kind of cool. I'll probably leave it in the box. I don't know if it has multiple phrases. Oh, it does.
Do or do not. There is no try.
I love the face.
The Jedi uses the Force for knowledge and defense. Never attack.
Yeah, I can't wait for vintage, man. I'm really pumped for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys next time.